Do you have an AMEX card? Want to get a bigger welcome bonus? More MR points? Perhaps a higher credit limit? Well, you can. Welcome once again to CreditWise. Today, we will list down 5 hacks you can use for your American Express credit card to get the most value out of your card. Number 1. Getting a bigger welcome bonus. Welcome bonuses are the best way to get the most out of any credit card since your return on spending can be much higher with a bonus than with a normal cashback rate. Sometimes, different issuers will let you get the same credit card more than once. This means that you can get multiple sign-up bonuses, but you might have to wait 48 months or more. American Express, on the other hand, is a bit different because they only let you get one welcome bonus per card in your lifetime. Because of this once-in-a-lifetime rule and the fact that welcome bonuses give us a lot of value, we want to get the best offer we can so we don't leave any value on the table. A lot of people make this mistake. They go to the AMEX website and sign up for the first offer they see, like getting 60,000 membership rewards points after spending $4,000 in the first 6 months. That's not a bad welcome bonus. If you put a conservative value of 1 cent per point on those 60,000 points, that means the bonus is worth $600. And when we do the math, it's going to be a 15% return on spend when working towards that $4,000 requirement. If you compare 15% back to the standard 1 to 5% back, 15% back is better than any other credit card. Some people are getting 75,000 points for spending $4,000 in 6 months, and some are getting as many as 90,000 points for the same requirements. The 75K offer is the same as getting at least 18.75% return on spend, and the 90K offer is the same as getting at least a 22.5% return on spend. So it's worth a try to take advantage of these offers if you can. How do you get a bigger bonus when you sign up? It's not too hard. The first way is to do some research and see what offers people are talking about on YouTube, Reddit, and other credit card blogs. Then, once you know what offers are out there, go to the AMEX's website and see what they have for you. If your offer isn't as good as what other people are getting, try going back to the website at a different time of day or with a different web browser, or even a different device until you find something better. You could also use a friend's referral link, a referral link from the Credit Community Discord, or an affiliate link from one of the many YouTube channels that talk about credit cards to get to an AMEX sign-up page. The third way to get better welcome bonus offers for AMEX cards is to go to a site called Resi, which is owned by American Express. On the Resi website, there is a different offer for AMEX cards like the AMEX Gold. In the end, don't jump at the first AMEX welcome bonus offer you see on their public website. Instead, be patient and look around to see what other types of offers people are getting. You can also try searching around and using different links to help you get the most out of signing up for an American Express card. Number 2. Earn membership rewards points with Rakuten. Rakuten is one of the most well-known cashback shopping portals since, in essence, they promote those retail websites by giving you a little amount of additional cash back. When you click their link to go to a website where you want to buy something, you can earn an extra 5, 10, or even 15% or more without doing much more. Numerous American Express users have begun to use this hack, which is that you can choose to get cash back from Rakuten in the form of AMEX membership rewards points. You can choose to do that in the settings for your account. Your cashback will be turned into MR points at a rate of 1 cent per point. Normally, you would get $10 in cash back if you selected a Rakuten deal to receive 10% back and then made a purchase of $100. With the MR point hack, that 10% cash back will be turned into 1,000 AMEX points and put into your linked AMEX account every 3 months. You may use transfer partners to take those 1,000 points once they are in your AMEX account, and then redeem them for a value higher than 1 cent per point. Now you're getting closer to or even past 2 cents per point. By doing this, the first 10% back you get from Rakuten goes from being worth $10 in cash back to being worth $20 in travel points. This is the same as getting 20% back on your purchase from Rakuten in the first place. Number 3. More value from AMEX offers. You can find AMEX offers when you sign into your American Express account on your phone or computer. These are a great way to get some extra cash or points back in your pocket. All you have to do is look at the offers on the page and click Add to Card when you're done. It can take a little time to look through these and add these offers because Amex has hundreds of them at any given time, and you can't see all of them until you add them to your card. You also have to remember what offers you have on what cards so you can choose the right one when you buy something. Now comes the hack. Use an app, add an extension called Card Pointers. Card Pointers is meant to help you organize credit cards by telling you what cards to use in different categories to get the most value. One of the coolest free things you can do is log into your Amex account and add all of those Amex offers with just one click. Card Pointers can work with extensions for Chrome and Safari. The Card Pointers extension also has a little pop-up that tells you which card to use when paying online, based on what gives you the most points and what offers you've actually added to your card. Don't forget that there are a lot of Amex offers out there. Card Pointers saves you a lot of time and helps you keep track of all the credit cards and offers you have. With Card Pointers, you can add offers for free, but there will also be a pro version with a lot of other useful features. Number 4. Getting a higher cash-out rate on the Charles Schwab AMEX Platinum card. What if you use credit cards that gives you MR points, but you'd rather get cashback instead? Most of the time, American Express is not the best way to get cash, since MR points are only worth 6 cents each when used as a statement credit. We always want to get at least 1 cent per point, so you're losing value. There is, however, a common way to get around this. Getting this card means that you think the AMEX Platinum is a good financial choice for you. If you can choose the Schwab version of this card, there are many good reasons to do so. The Schwab Platinum is almost exactly the same as the regular AMEX Platinum card. The main difference, though, is that the Schwab version lets you transfer your Amex membership rewards points to your Schwab brokerage accounts at 1.1 cents per point. That means if you got a 100,000 point welcome bonus on the Schwab Platinum card, it would be worth $1,100, instead of only $600 if you cash it out on the regular Platinum card as a statement credit. After you cash out your points, you can still use them by investing, or you can just cash out the points by moving them from your Amex account to your Schwab brokerage account, and then to any other bank account. In essence, this is a good backup plan that ensures you'll get more value out of your Amex points at the 1.1 cents per point rate. Number 5. Triple your credits limit. This trick can both help your credit score and give you more money to spend. This trick won't work for Amex cards that are more like charge cards and don't have a set credit limit, like the Amex Platinum and the AMEX Gold. But it's a great tip for people with regular Amex credit cards that do have a credit limit. The hack is pretty easy. Once you've had your new Amex card for at least 60 days, you can ask for a credit limit increase of up to 3 times what you were given at first. If you had a limit of $4,000, you could definitely ask for a limit of $12,000 by logging into your American Express account and making the request online. The best part is that there won't be any hard credit checks, so there's no reason not to do this. This hack can actually help a lot of people for 2 main reasons. 1, if your credit limit is higher, you will be able to buy more things. 2, a higher credit limit helps a lot with how much credit you use. As long as the average amount you spend and the balance on your card stays the same, a higher limit will mean that you use less of your credit than you did before. Your credit score can go up over time if you use less of your available credits, otherwise known as credit utilization. There are still some restrictions that you'll need to look into. For example, if you already have a limit of $20,000, you probably won't be approved for a limit of $60,000, especially if your income hasn't changed and you already have some other credit cards. But if you use your own judgment, you can often expect a credit limit increase of up to 3 times after you've had your Amex card for at least 61 days. It's also pretty easy to get. Those are 5 hacks you simply cannot ignore. If this video helped out, leave a like, and if you want to learn more about your credits and get more tips like this, click the subscribe button. That's it today from CreditWise. We'll see you in the next video.